Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Huawei. Begin by opening Themes app and clicking on Themes section at the top left corner. Following that, click on one of those. Tap on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to. Select one of those options or click on Categories at the bottom. And tap on Top Paid, Top New or Top Free. Wherever you decided after selecting theme that you like the best, click on Download at the bottom. Then select Download and Install. And when it's ready, hit on Apply. Then decide what you want to do with Magazine Unlock. Keep it or discard it. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my device has changed. If you want to go back to your default one, you can do that by going into Themes again, but this time selecting Me section at the bottom right corner. Now tap on one of those themes to apply the best default one, like Snowy White. Then hit Apply and wait. If you see this kind of pop-up, do whatever you wish to. I will go with Cancel. As you can see, my default theme is back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!